Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan. Here, another model. Today we got it. It's the Realme GT Neo3. Check it here. 150 watts. The first smartphone that released the 150 watt fast charging. Okay, it's also 5G. So today we will unboxing the Realme GT Neo3. Today we will see a very quick and a very simple unboxing video. We will see what's inside the box and we will check the basic specification of this smartphone. So next, let's open it and check what's inside the box. Okay, let's open it. Whoa. So, okay, let's open it. We just see another small package. Okay, so let's open it. It's Realme instructions, fast instructions. Realme warranty card. Okay, put this aside. Okay. Nothing left in this small package. And then we see smartphone. Okay, let's put it aside. And here, plastic protector. So here, transparent case. It's not so transparent. It's a bit gray. Not so transparent. It's gray plastic case. And also here, whoa, big charger. Type-C to Type-C big charger, and we will talk about this part next, because this time on the charging on battery it's really stand out to other models. See. Okay, next, put it inside here. It's the SIM card pen, SIM card ejector. So this time I put it here. And next, it's about the cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. It's white color and also very good quality cable. So this is what's inside the box. Cable, good quality cable, or a big charger. And this time it's bought 150 watt charger, so it's for a big charger. And also here is what accessories in this box. And next, let's see the smartphone itself. And okay, let's peel this plastic protect off and check the smartphone. So here is a smartphone. Whoa, and this time we get the lemon color. Lemon, you know, is a city in France, actually it's in the northwest of France. And you know also there are recent match called Le Mans. Is the top three tough car racing match in the world, and they stand for the high quality cars. The match only the high quality and very good brand can enter this game and compete with other brands. So this time we have the Le Mans edition, special color. This time they provide black and silver, but this time we have the special color is the Le Mans color. And also here we can see the racing element from here. Also the Realme logo and the slogan "Dare to Leap." Okay, actually the first time I see the release conference, I find it and I see the blue color one. I really like it. It's so unique, and the blue one so attractive for the young adult. It's so nice color. And also, okay, next, I think I talked too much about the other things, and let's come to the point. And about this smartphone, first I will check the appearance, and then the processor, the camera, the screen, the battery, and also my personal opinions of this smartphone. So first is about the appearance. Actually, I talked about the model name and the colors, and I will say for the appearance, it's really attractive appearance. The color, also the size, and the weight. You know, the size is slim. It's just 8.2 mm, and also the weight is not so heavy. It's only 188 grams, and for the appearance, it's blue one, and they have special lemons racing element here, so it's very attractive. Also the design have a special design for the camera part. Is very combined with the lens. It looks so beautiful, and so the frame also for the mental frame also have very good appearance totally. And also when I turn on the smartphone, it's got a very good display result and performance. So I will say for appearance, I really like it, and it looks so special compared to other models, especially for this one. And then next, let's go to the specification part. And this time they used the MediaTek Dimensity A100 processor. It's not the 9000, not the most flagship one, but this one also works well and can support big games and big games demands, and it also can cover most of your daily life needs of the smartphone, shooting videos, also games. It's also energy saving processor. And if you I would say if you have a really experienced test this processor, it's just no big difference compared to the most flagship Dimensity 9000. Especially for this one, they have the GPU has a very special technology, and the GPU is very powerful, and also have for the frame stable, they have a very stable technology 2.1, and it's very nice for the game players. So, and it's not so when you play games, not so hot when you play games, not like SD 888 or 888 Plus. So it's energy saving part, and it can save the battery consumption for this process. Okay, for next, it's about the most important, most attractive one is about the battery. And this time they just it's the first one to use the 150 watts the fast charging technology. It can charge to 50% with only 5 minutes. Amazing. Also, it works with the battery sensor and the software. It can get very good. Smart charging also works very good. Also, I mentioned for the processor is energy saving, and also with the fast charging technology. It makes this one a very useful and potential for your daily life, especially for the gamers. If you play a lot, okay, no need to worry about the battery, and also you will feel very safe when you use the smartphone. Okay, next is about the camera. The camera, this one they use the triple cameras, and the front one camera. Also for the real triple cameras, the main is 50 megapixel, and it's the IMX766. I think it's a good for the. And this processor is very good for the night vision, and also for the photo shootings, because it have here has a OIS technology, so you can shoot very stable and very high quality pictures and videos in this smartphone. Also, this is about the main camera. Also, it support 4K videos and time-lapse videos. For the front one is a 60 megapixel front camera, and it have a beauty mode. Also, you can get very good selfie pictures from it. So it's also very potential. And okay, next is about the screen, and this time the Realme Neo3 they use a 6.7-inch screen, and it support 120 Hz refresh rate. Is a OLED screen, and also it's support multi-finger touch, especially they works with the special GPU. It can get very smoothly game experience, especially for the high frame refresh games. This game works very smoothly, works very fast, no delayed. This is about the screen. Actually, it's good, and it's very decent on this part. Okay. So next, I will talk something personal information, personal opinions about this smartphone. You know, this is not the most powerful and not most flagship specification smartphone, but it really have some special features on this smartphone. I think first, for the young adult, the design and the appearance is very attractive, and also the slim design, the attractive color is very attractive, and it can attract a lot of younger people to purchase this one. And also for the specification for the processor, it's not the most powerful one, but it's have something like GPU is very special for the gamers. So you know, the Realme 3, Realme GT Neo 3, they focus on the young people and focus on games, so you can get very good game experience on this special GPU. Also, for the young people, they play the smartphone a lot, so they will need the fast charging, they will need big battery. And for this one, they have the 150 watts fast charging, and also the battery is also good, so you no need to worry about the battery. It's really everything is really made for the young people. Also for the camera, it's not flagship, but also to choose a very good camera for the night vision, and also for the front, they good for the selfie. So it's not so the specification is not so high, but they have some special position, but special audience will like this one. So this is my personal opinion about this smartphone, and it's very quick and very simple unboxing video. And I hope you like this smartphone, and I hope you like my video, and stay tuned and wait for more cool gadget and videos from here. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.